Okay. So, how about if sweetened cocoa powder na po ang gagamitin? Any recipe po that you can recommend? Okay. First po, I do not actually recommend na gumamit ng sweetened cocoa powder for baking. I believe yung sweetened cocoa powder is for, parang ginawa siya for drinking. Kasi, kapag gumamit ka ng sweetened cocoa powder, kailangan mo ng extra step of calculating kung gaano karami yung sugar dun sa sweetened cocoa powder. So, for example, kailangan mo ng 1/2 cup or 50 grams na cocoa powder. Ngayon, kailangan mong malaman kung gaano karaming sweetened cocoa powder yung equivalent dun sa 50 grams na cocoa powder na yon, and then, find out kung ilan percent doon yung sugar, tapos ima-minus mo yung sugar na yon dun sa amount ng sugar na nire-require ng recipe. So, medyo mas nagiging complicated kapag sweetened cocoa powder pa yung gagamitin mo. Pero pwede naman, meron lang kailangan na computation. So, again, how to compute? For example, malaman mo na yung iyong sweetened cocoa powder, for example, is 50% na sugar. So, how much do you need for the recipe na kailangan 50 grams cocoa? So, kailangan mo 100 grams na sweetened cocoa powder. Kasi 50 grams doon cocoa, 50 grams doon is sugar. Tapos yung 50 grams na additional sugar from the sweetened cocoa powder, kailangan mo ngayon i-minus or i-subtract doon sa sugar na kailangan idagdag doon sa recipe. Parang ganun. So, nagiging komplikado siya. So, I suggest just get yung pure na cocoa powder. Wala ako ma-recommend na recipe na gumagamit na talaga ng sweetened cocoa powder. Kailangan mo talaga mag-compute. I hope that kahit pa paano nakatulong po, and please follow for more.